Hey guys, Jeff here, Gravel Casual Bikepacking. What is up? This weekend's adventure takes us to El Dorado, Illinois for the Hil Trail. Total length is right around 60 miles. We're going to be here 4 days, 4 short days. Each day is going to be about 30 miles. Yeah. I'm going to take my time and kind of just explore the area, see what we can see. Should go through several small towns. I got a campground halfway, and I got another campground at the end. Yeah, but we'll get started here. Okay guys, this is kind of where the trail starts here. I got my new bike with me this week, new Bikepacker. It's also Journeyman, flat bar, Diore group set. I'll take a walk over here and look at it. Here we go. 650B. It had a flat bar. I took the flat bar off and put the southerly corner bars on it. Looks pretty neat. Should be a different ride. Alright guys, that's the Salsa Journeyman. I'll load it up, ready to roll. Okay guys, just getting started here. It's about 40 degrees. Sun's out. Should be a good day. A little glimpse of our trail here. Okay guys, stopped here for a second. Look at that big black pipe sticking up out of the ground there. I believe that's where they used to fill up the steam trains with the water. I'm not sure, just a guess, but I'm pretty sure that's what it's for. Pretty neat. Hey guys, rolling into muddy Illinois. Seen the sign, population of 100. Pretty small. There's supposed to be an old coal mine up here. It looks pretty neat in the pictures. Hopefully it's still there, we can see it. Watch out, pup. Watch out. Okay guys, here's that coal mine I was talking about. How cool is that? Here it is way up there guys, the Garrett number 12 underground mine. 1,000 acres mined. No work related deaths. Closed due to flooding, 1937. I'll go up there closer and take a look. Okay guys, here we are. A little closer to the coal mine here, the old coal mine. Looks like tracks used to run underneath there, and that's where it loaded the coal. This thing's massive. Definitely worth a stop and look at. guys, just rolled into Harrisburg here. We got a breakfast stop here. We got a Hardee's up here. We'll stop there and get some breakfast. I haven't had anything to eat yet, so yeah, on to breakfast. Hey guys, passing through Ledford here. Not much here. I looked on the map, I didn't see anything. Trail's nice though. Hey guys, just outside of Carrier Mills. Gonna get off the trail here for a little bit, make a couple stops. One at a gas station and maybe Dollar General. See you in town. Hey guys, just leaving Carrier Mills there. Made a stop at the Dollar General store. Saw a couple neat memorials there. Those are always definitely worth stopping and taking a look at. Hey guys, here at Carrier Mills Trailhead. Yeah, not a whole lot here. They got a map over here. I was hoping they have a map I could take home with me, but I haven't seen one yet. Couple picnic tables, water and restroom. Pretty nice area though. That's the way I just came. That's the way I'm headed. Hey guys, just passing through Newcastle here, halfway point, 17 and a half down, 17 and a half to go. Newcastle, there's not much here. Hey guys, there's that deer in front of us. See how close we can get to it. Hey guys, just on the outskirts of Stone Fort. I think there's no depot up here. Let's see what else we got. Hey guys, here we are at the trailhead here in Stone Fort. About like the last one. Trailhead information, restrooms, water. At the old depot across the road here. Pretty neat. Fort. Pretty neat old train depot. Alright, leaving Stone Fort. Hey guys, here at New Burnside. Not a whole lot here. Trailhead, and there's a post office over there. A little playground. Pavilion looks pretty nice. I just got done with a pretty good climb. I got another good climb in front of me. I'm assuming the tunnel's pretty close to the top of that. Yep. New Burnside. Okay guys, not too far from the Tunnel Hil Trail, right in front of me. This is where I gotta leave the trail, get on the road for a little bit, head to the campsite. We're about 3 miles away. See you there. Hey guys, made it to the campground here. Mileage for a day is 35.2, a little further than I thought. This will be home for the night. Cedar Lake Campground. Go in here and see if I can get my camping spot. Okay guys, here we are, my campsite. I originally had just the campsite and water. She upgraded me to the electric for free. That was pretty cool of her. This is it though, I get her all set up. Hey guys, got camp all set up, got the tent set up, air mattress and air pillow blowed up. It's all inside there. Next thing on the agenda is some grub. Got some chili mac and beef. It's not too bad. It's better than nothing at all, I guess.